Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing
Ooh,
Secrets of Strixhaven. Play boosters.
my pants was kited.
You're fine.
I don't want anybody see my pants. Well, my shorts. Sorry.
So what we get? We have Tenured Concoctor. Send in the pest. Sorry. Honored Bound Page, which is also Forum's favor. Textbook Tabulator. Zealous Lorecaster. Pursue the Past. Colossus of the Blood Age. Brush Off. Witherbloom Charm. Cauldron of Essence. Nice. I like that card. And Antiquities of the Loose. Ooh, that's cool. Sleight of Hand. And a foil cuboid colony. Followed by Titan's Grave. An elemental / treasure chicken. Trying not to sneeze. Next up. We got Glorious Decay. Sneering Shadow Rider. Eager Glyph Mage. Run Behind. Tone Blast. Stadium Title Mage. Pest Mascot. Muse Seeker. Inkshape Demonstrator. Old Growth Educator. Ooh. Jadzi, Steward of Fate, which is also Oracle's Gift. Nice, for a rare. A Monstrous Rage. And an Imperious Ink Mage for our foil. A Forest for our land, and a Fractal / Spirit Token. Last week magic, can we get some? You alright?
Shh. I try not to make sounds, but I'm sorry I'm going down.
I'll be as fast as possible.
No, it's fine.
Mindful Biomancer.
I'm just a crappy stand.
Ona Ali Shopkeep.
Sorry.
Rehearsed Debater. Spellbook Seeker, which is also Careful Study. Seize the Spoils. Stadium Title Mage. Potioner's Trove. Scathing Shadelock, which is also Venomous Words. Divergent Equation. Borrowed Knowledge. Ooh, Black Loafing Pest for a rare. A Bulk Up. And a foil Unsubbable Mockery. Followed by a Foil Mountain and for our land. And a Inkling / Spirit Token. Well, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.